What is up, guys? Just a quick update video about the LG G7. So as you guys know, I really love this phone and it's highly recommended. And in my comparisons, I always talked about this not getting Android 10, or it may not get Android 10. So LG has finally made it official that they are going to bring Android 10 to the G7, and also they're going to bring it to the V40, which I'm going to have on the channel very soon as well. So very excited, because in my comparisons, that was one thing that I wasn't really sure about, and LG took a really long time to come out with that. But I'm glad that they are going to update this phone to Android 10, so it has security updates. So let's check out the rest of the phones just in case you're interested. The LG V50, the LG G8X, of course, G7, G8S, and the V40, the LG K50S, K40S, the K50, and the Q60. Those are all the phones that are going to receive the Android 10 update. So it says international V50 units are first in line for the update in February, followed by the G8X. Q2, the G7, G8S, and V40 are scheduled for Q3 for 2020. So there's your timeline on when to expect the update. Now, as far as carriers, it's probably going to take a little bit longer. Like this phone, this is not an unlocked G7, this is a locked G7 on T-Mobile, so I probably will get the update later. The unlocked G7s will get the update first in that Q3, so I might just buy another one, but you know, I'm very excited about this. This definitely puts the G7 at the top of my list of just phones to get for 2020. It's definitely a phone that I can see using for the next 2 years. So if you decide to buy it, be sure to hit up the links down below if you are already sold on it, and I will see you guys in the next one.